Yeah, how you doing? It's Luke. I got your missed call from yesterday.
Yeah, good, mate. Yeah, I think you sent a letter regarding managing HMOs.
That's right, yep.
So what you do then, you manage everything on a full money basis, carry out all the repairs, everything yourself, and you do you rent with us, or how do you operate?
Yeah, well, first things first, we like to come and have a look at the property first and see, like,
Sure, no problem.
find out what the situation is first and foremost, you know.
No problem.
We like to get to know the landlord first as well, so it's nice getting to know them first. And then
Okay.
and then we go from there, really. We work out if we're a good fit for each other.
Not a problem.
And then, yes, we guarantee the rent, we pay all the bills, we do all of the bells and whistles. But obviously it has to make sense for everyone, you know. We've got quite a few properties in that area that we do the same sort of service with.
Yeah. I think we got two tenants still there. The others have moved out. We got a contract with another investor. He had it for the last 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to be looking for another investor. So I thought I'd contact you guys before I go with someone else.
Yeah, sure. So what's the situation with the house? If you don't mind me asking a few questions, what's the situation with the house and the property at the moment? Like, how many tenants have you got in there at the moment? What's the history?
We do not have any council tenant whatsoever. Only private working people.
Private working people, yeah?
Last time we had, I think we out of the 10 flats there altogether.
Yeah.
4 2-bed and 6 1-bed.
Yeah.
We had 5 doctors and another nurse, and then the gentleman downstairs, he works in Square Pizza just down the road.
Yeah.
And then the other one is one with the investor. He's got it for, I think, for another year.
Right, sure. So when you say the investor, are you renting it directly yourself to these tenants, or do you have like a company in between?
So we given a contract for 2 years for him, and the other company had a contract for the last 2 years.
Yeah.
And this year we're looking to go with another company.
Yeah. So we'd only really be interested in renting the whole thing off of you, really, you know?
We can do that if you want. That's not an issue.
We'd rather do the whole building, just because it makes sort of the operations a bit easier for us, you know?
Yeah, if you want to do the whole building, we can do that as well.
Are they all individual flats? They've all got their own en suites and.
Nobody shares with anything with anyone at all.
Okay, so
Electric, water, heating, all separate.
yeah, okay, that's good. That sounds similar to the one we've got.
Self-contained.
Yeah. So what's the issue with it? Are you just looking to be hands off with it now, or what's?
Yeah, well, we're looking, because I'm busy with my other work, so I want somebody who would want to take it on for the next, say, we would give you try with you for a year. If
Yeah.
everything works well, then we'll be looking to take probably a 5-year contract with you guys.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, totally. I mean, that's definitely something that we can discuss. We just need to know a bit more about it. Have you got any more like pictures or videos or anything like that of the property that we can see, or?
Why don't you probably have a look at the property? That'd be better.
Yeah, that'd probably be best. I mean, we're in London at the moment, but I mean, maybe at some point over the next week or so, we could come down and have a look.
Anyone in Newport who wants to come in and take some photos or
Yeah.
take a video?
Yeah, we've got staff in Newport. We've got a property manager in Newport that can maybe.
One of your staff to
Yeah.
be there with me. I can show them all the flats. That's no problem.
Yeah, and just how many are tenanted at the moment? Did you say out of the 10?
Only 2. The other 8 have been vacated that because the other company they had the 8 flats.
Okay, the other company had 8 flats, and now they're giving them back.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've got eight empty and 2 occupied at the moment. You'd be open to us taking on the whole thing and maybe potentially.
Yeah, that's no issue.
So what about the 2 that are in there? Would you have to serve them notice, or how would that work?
No, because the investor, I think we would have the same conversation to finish the contract early.
Yeah.
And the tenant, that's not an issue. We can probably move him into another property.
Mhm.
So it's basically just the one tenant we have to pay compensation to because he's got a contract the next year.
Yeah.
Which is, I think it's probably paid for, I think, about £15,000 to finish his contract early.
Right. Got you. All right. Well, we'll get someone over to have a look, and then we'll go from there. I guess that'd be the best next step. I'll have a chat with my staff, and then I'll give you a call back, and then we'll organise a viewing for next week. Then.
No problem. Let me know, and I said I can get my colleagues there. You know, put all the flats for them, so you can have a look through. No problem. Okay?
Yeah. All right. Brilliant.